And good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now. Welcome back to Thumper's Lock Picking. Uh, I guess I totally spaced out on Mr. Klein Average Picker's lock toss that I won because I was so surprised on getting all these things that he sent me. I totally forgot that I won that lock toss contest. This is one of the locks that he sent me um, that I'm going to try picking today. And he sent me a lot of great stuff. So, uh, Mr. Klein, I apologize for not remembering that I won the lock toss, but that's what makes this community so great. You forget about something, and the next person's going to remember it. And I do appreciate that. So let me see what I'm going to do. This is going to be new for me. Um, I'm going to be picking this upside down because I can't figure out how to put it in the vise without binding up this or the turn screw. So um, I'm going to show you that it, it is locked. Um, I've never picked upside down before, but this is going to be an exception. I'm sure there's a way of doing it that I'm not thinking of, but I think this is the easiest way for me. I'm still going to be using a Mad Bob's tension wrench and a Sparrow's short hook, I believe. Just going to be using it upside down. Okay, let me see what I can do for you. I hope you can see this. Okay. I think I got one set. I'm not sure. That might be three. Kind of tricky. Yeah, this is all new to me. Kind of doesn't even feel right, but okay, need a second. I'm gonna try and short into this. Feels like something's binding. Come on, maybe. I've only done this one time before. And of course, it wants to be camera shy. What else is new? Sorry. Still working on strengthening my hand, my arm. I don't want this to be a long video. Okay. Deep breath. Deep breath. 1, 2, and there we go. And I'm open. You can see that, everybody? Well, I'll take it out. I am open. Thank you, God. Man, I couldn't hurt. Never mind. Still building a lot of muscle that I lost in my arm. Still haven't got all my hair back. I don't know if you can see this or not. I don't know if it's in camera or not. There's this part of this right in here is the scar or whatever. I'm hoping right here that it's not another cluster of whatever was in my arm. But I'm doing great. I love you all so much for caring. And please, let's keep it legal. Let's not set a bad example for our sport. Don't put your pics in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. All right? This is StockLockSunday, and I nailed it. Thank you, everybody. Bye. I'm out.